In this video, I am going to show you how to access Moviebox download folder on your phone. So this should be a quick and easy process video. Now, the first thing you need to do is to hold the app, as you can see, then click on this icon. After that, you will be redirected to the app info, as you can see. You can check here the permissions, the storage, and the memory. So if you have anything in the storage, you will find it here, as you can see. And you can also check the memory to access the folder download of Moviebox on your phone. So after doing that, this was the way to access Moviebox download folder on your phone. I hope this video was helpful. This was a quick and easy process video, and as always, thank you for watching.